Okay, we're on. Tell us what we're doing, Loren.
Are you working?
Wait, hold on.
We're not an alcohol both.
Are you ready yet?
Yes.
That's
Everybody ready?
it.
Cinnamon challenge. Okay, it's
We better go
It's March
over there.
28th, 2012, I think, right? 28th today, right?
I don't know.
One tablespoon of cinnamon. See what happens. I'm gonna assume I'm gonna spit it out after watching a shit ton of videos on YouTube.
Then we know.
But anyway, kind of nervous.
Just do it.
Here we go.
That's what she said.
I gotta stop laughing, otherwise it's just gonna come right back.
Yeah, you don't
Remember,
inhale it.
don't breathe while you eat.
Your mouth all salivated.
Trying to see if it's gonna make you sneeze.
No.
Try not to.
What are you doing?
Oh, you went upside down.
Oh, make you puke?
No, if you can just do it.
You're stupid, Loren.
Oh, there it goes. Oh.
Oh my god.
What does it feel like?
Shit.
It smells like cinnamon.
Didn't know that shit was
Oh, he's gonna puke.
Yeah.
Drink some water.
Marley's all, what's going on?
Alright.
That was like 2 seconds too long.
I can't even, swallow the milk.
Oh, milk?